Oh, good morning. We're starting to come in now. Can I ask if you're, once you've got sort of signed in, if you can just give me a little thumbs up emoji in the chat section so I know who I've got online, who's present, not present. Not bad. We've got one on there. Just thinking you probably have usernames, so maybe just your normal name on there as well. Let me know who I'm actually speaking to rather than the nicknames. Peter, good man, Peter. Thought it'd probably be you on first. Good man. Hope all is well. Wonder how many other people will get online, Peter. Probably still in their bed. We'll give them a couple of minutes. That will maybe get going. So I'll go grab a glass of water or a drink or anything. Peter first. Feel free. We'll start probably about 10 past. You done the PE, man? You get anyone else to do it with you? Hope you still managed to fit in 30 minutes of Irish there, Peter, first. Kinda. Yeah, you'll need whiteboards. So I think you should have a whiteboard, and I've put in a brand new whiteboard pen into the packs as well. So usually then we'll do a bit of work on them, and then we'll swap on to textbooks. We'll answer a couple of questions on that. And then hopefully that'll do math for today. I get ready to go very soon. It says 11 on the timetable, does it? Oops. Let's have a look. Is that the letter I gave out, Peter, was it? Trying to think. I know the timetable I sent out was timetable. I think said put it for the 10 o'clock, but maybe on the letter said something totally different. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah. I did indeed put 11 a.m. on that letter. Yikes. And you took a gamble, did you? I went for the timetable over the letter. We got one more anyway. A few more have all woken up. Morning, guys. Again, more nicknames, so I have no idea who I've got. Easter egg was nice. I'm glad you enjoyed that one. Yeah, there's another one. I got Ashlyn, you're on. Good morning. We got Blaze Kinso. Kurt, by any chance? No? So what I'm getting is a load of people that have gone through my timetable, and then I think some people that have gone for the letter, which said 11. Oopsies. And maybe after today anyway, you can maybe get word out on WhatsApp to the rest of them. Let them know it's 10 o'clock each morning. Yeah. So the plan is most days we'll go from about 10 to about 10:30, little 30-minute blast. We'll set you up. I'll give you 30 minutes to kind of get some work done, and then we'll come back on at 11. And then sort of from 11 to 11:15, we'll go through your answers, and chat's not great. We'll maybe take some questions if anyone find anything overly difficult. It will be 10 o'clock every morning, Ashlyn, that it starts. Okay. We're running a wee bit behind time this morning. Peter was telling me there's a bit of a mistake on the letter that I sent. So the letter in the pack mentions it'll be 11 o'clock this morning. But on our 4-week timetable grids that I gave out, it says from 10 to 11 to 15. To try to get some sort of routine put into our sort of days. Hope you enjoyed the Easter eggs as well. Hello, Shouldn't really have had that yet, Peter. Easter Sunday's not for another week or two. Yeah, give it about 30 seconds and I think we'll just go. We'll have enough on. We can kind of get started if anyone else wakes up out of their bed and come join us. Yeah, thought it was you, Kurt. Good morning, buddy. How'd you get on with that other 2-week pack? Hopefully worked all the way through it. Nothing in it too difficult, I hope. So, also, just said to a few of the others, you will need whiteboard pens and our whiteboards. We'll get going in about 15 seconds or so. Oh, the Irish poem. That was the big right on the Friday, wasn't it? We'll touch on that anyway. Sure, another time. I think later on we said I'd maybe come on for a live English one. We'll go through a bit of grammar later on this afternoon. So we'll discuss it then anyway. So we all have whiteboard pens ready. Me thumbs up emoji. Right, we're all good to go. And is the sound okay as well? I've been advised to wear my headphones with the mic, as I think it picks it up better than the laptop does. So hopefully no screeching. I think it's kind of good. Okay, anyway, let's get going. 0, top left. We've got 10 seconds on the clock. We're going to play 8s. So how high can you go in 8s? Ready? Set. Go. And stop. Okay, double check numbers. Should have had 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96. Ready? Rub them out. We'll go again. 10 seconds back in the clock. And we'll see, can you beat your score? Ready? Set. Go. Stop. Hopefully you managed to beat your score. Double check the numbers, will make sure they're right. Should have had 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96. Ready? What goes up? Let's come down. Ready? Put 80 top left. 10 seconds on the clock. How low can you go? Ready? Set. Go. Stop. See how we done? Should have had 80, 72, 64, 56, 48, 40, 32, 24, 16, 8, and 0. I know, Peter, but you can just shout it at the screen. It's okay. Someone in the house might think you're a bit nuts, but we know what's happening. So, yeah. Or if you have really fast fingers, you could have typed it as an answer. Ready? Let's try it again. 80 top left. I want to see, can you beat your score? Ready? Set. Go. Stop. Double check our numbers. Should have had 72, 64, 56, 48, 40, 32, 24, 16, 8, 0. Really well done if you beat your score or even managed to get into the negative numbers. Oh, Peter, 96. Not bad. Ready? So, move on. I'm going to skip the learn it's for now because I'm not really sure it'll work with our time. So instead, I'm going to move on. Use your whiteboards. We've done this one before, so hopefully. Whiteboards. One box in the middle. And we're coming back. So this time, what we've got is we're going to multiply by 10 and divide by 10 just to get warmed up. Okay, so we are going to be looking at weights today. So this is just going to help us get the old brain warmed up into that way of thinking again. So I'm going to call the number out, put it into your middle box. The one to the right, you're going to multiply it by 10. Coming back the way, you're dividing it by 10. So it should be 10 times bigger and 10 times smaller. So for example, if I say 2, 2 goes in the box, it becomes 20, and then it becomes 0.2. All right. So let's try. In your box, put the number 18. Iceland, English 12:45. Yeah, whatever the timetable says, Iceland, that's kind of what I'm working off. So if we reckon it's 12:45 on the timetable, then that's the one. Yeah. So today, 12:45, we'll do some English. It's just work that we've done before anyway. It's just quick revision. I think you've done the work in the last 2 weeks, so we'll kind of have a bit of revision, just make sure everybody's up and on task with it. Okay. Anyway, on this one, let's see. Answers 18 multiplied by 10 should have got 180. Okay. And if we divide 18 by 10, we should have had 1.8. Okay, ready? Let's go again. And I'm also thinking probably in the camera, my numbers are probably coming back to front, which means maybe not able to read it. So hopefully we can all hear that the audio is not too bad. Kurt, I don't have an English copy. Any scrap paper, Kurt, at this rate, any book will do fine for 12:45. Don't worry too much about it. Annie and Iceland, you're worrying about the superhero task again. Don't worry, the English lesson, I'll be able to go through all that. We'll hopefully have more people. Okay. So yeah, don't worry too much. And good morning to those that have just joined as well. hopefully you're in task. All right, so anyway, new number. Throw in number in the middle, multiply it by 10, divide it by 10. Ready? In the box, go for the number 26. So 26. 26 in your box, multiply 26 by 10, divide by 10. Ready? Give me 10 seconds, get both numbers, working with the number 26. Okay, answer is 26 multiplied by 10, should have had 260. Divide by 10, 2.6. Ready? I'm going to move it up, and instead of multiplying and dividing by 10, I'm going to multiply and divide by 1,000. Or by 100, sorry. We'll jump to 100 first. So multiply and divide by 100. Ready? New number. So remember, you're moving it 2 place value positions. All right. So I'll move 2 to the left if we're multiplying it by 100, and it'll move down place value if you're dividing by 100. Ready? Try the number 42. So working on number 42. Again, I do apologize. My numbers will all be back to front for you. I'm sure. Hopefully not the worst. Ready? A couple of seconds. See, can you get that? 42, multiply it by 100, divide it by 100. And stop. Ready? 42 multiplied by 100, we should have got 4,200. Divide it by 100, we should have had 0.42. Okay, 0.42. So just remember to moving down 2 places each time. Ready? Let's go. We'll go one more, and then we'll take a bit of feedback, see how you do. All right. Ready? Well, at the top, we'll go for the number. Go for the number 7.5. 7.5. Bit of a trickier one. 7.5. Multiply it by 100. Divide it by 100. 10 seconds. See how you get your answers. I'd be really impressed if you can get the answers. I managed to get onto that chat. And 3, 2, 1. Super. Answer 7.5. Multiply it by 100. We should have got 750. Okay. Dividing it by 100, we should have got 0.075. Okay, 0.075. Ready? We're going to go one more. This time we're going to ramp it up one last level. Okay, so we're moving up one more level. Level extreme. This time we're going to multiply by 1,000 and divide by 1,000. Morning, Daniela. Online. Yeah, super. Actually, I haven't been on the Google Classroom this morning at all to see how people have managed to do to get signed up. Hopefully, that's all good. Again, don't really need it for maths, so we'll come to that once we get to English later on today. Okay, but I'm glad, Daniela, you're up and running with Google Classroom. Okay. Anyway, guys, so last level, level 3, we're going to put a number in the box, multiply it by 1,000, divide it by 1,000. Okay. Just remember our place values, going up 3 times, coming back 3 places. All right. So try for me the number 443. So 443. Multiply it by 1,000, divide by 1,000. Yeah, I know. I may well revert to that as well, Peter, to try and stop the time delaying. I may try. I just need to have a little look into kind of how well things can get up and running. Okay. But anyway, as for now, try it. Number in the middle, 443. And I want you to multiply by 1,000, divide by 1,000. So we're using our number generator. Okay. 1,000, divide by 1,000. And that's 3 places. Morning, Sean. What do we do on Irish? Irish, you have a whole selection of worksheets done by week 1, 2, 3, and 4. Really, all you need to do in the Irish is pick any sheet. It's not done, I haven't done it in order or anything. Doesn't build up to each other. So all you need to do is just take one worksheet at a time. I'll just work through it. If your vocab knowledge isn't too hot on it, you can always use a bit of Google Translator and you'll do very quickly. The sheets are fairly simple. So none of it's too difficult. And if it is, leave it to the end of the week and see can you come back to it Thursday, Friday. All right. Anyway, answers for this one, 443. If we multiply that by 1,000, we should get 443,000. Okay. If we divide that by 1,000, we should have 0.443. Okay, 0.443. And remember, this one's going to be really key for doing weights. All right, so today's work. So let's try it one last time. Number in the box. Number in the box, we'll go for 561. So 561. 561. Multiply 561 by 1,000. Three, two, one. See how we do. 561, multiply it by 1,000. We should have got 561,000. Dividing it by 1,000, we should have got 0.0561. 0.0561. Okay. Ready? So leave that there. We're now going to have a little look at today's work on weights, okay, and why multiplying and dividing by 1,000 is key. So, again, with the whiteboard, it's coming through to you back to front, which doesn't really help, unfortunately, for me. But anyway, we've got 1 kilogram. So 1 kilogram equals how many grams? First one into the group chat. 1 kilogram equals how many grams? Have a look, see who's first on it on the chat. 1 kilogram equals how many grams? Oh, nice. Chippy King, 1,000. Good man. Super. Excellent. So 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. All right. Therefore, 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. Okay. Question is, again, first one into the chat wins this one. 1 gram equals how many kilograms? So 1 gram equals how many kilograms? Morning, clear effect. 0.01 by Sean. It's close. Very close. Bit too big still though. That'd be 10 grams. Oh, he's in again. 0.001. Awesome. Good man. Super. So one gram equals 0.001. Few ways to remind ourselves of this. Number one is we know that a kilogram has 1,000 grams. So every 1,000 grams gives you 1 kilogram. Therefore, 1 over 1,000, that's a gram. So 1 gram is 1/1000th. And remember, whatever the bottom number is, that tells us about place value. So if it's thousandths, then we know it has to fall into the thousandths category. Okay, thousands, hundredths, tenths, decimals, units or ones. All right. So, nice one. Oh, got it. Super. I like it. Ready? So, all we're doing today really is we're just sort of converting a couple of weights back and forth. So, we'll start easy and then we'll get some difficult ones on the go. Ready? 4 kilograms. How many grams? 4 kilograms. How many grams? See who's first on the chat. Ooh, Daniela, lovely. 4,000, super. 4,000 grams. Okay. Ready? Let's try another one. What about 3.5? 3.5. So 3.5 kilograms. How many grams? 3.5 kilograms. 5 seconds. 3,500. If I said I want, actually no, we'll keep it as is, 4.23 kilograms. So that's 4.23 kilograms. How many grams? 4.23 kilograms. How many grams would that be? 4.23 kilograms. Well done. 4,230 grams. Really good. Super. Ready? Let's see, can we go the other way though? So this time I'm going to give you the grams. See, can you convert it into kilograms? So we've got 1,500 grams. 1,500 grams. How many kilograms? 1,500 grams. How many kilograms? Three seconds. Well done. That one, 1.5 kilograms. All right. If I take this for today's work, just go through it. If you're converting grams into kilograms, it may also be possible to split it up into kilograms and grams. So 1,500, we know that'll give us 1 kilogram, but it will also then give us 500 grams. Okay, so for today's work on question 2, that's kind of what you have to do. All right, you have to split it into kilograms and the grams allowance. The table question number 3, that's going to be kind of, you have to decode and work across the way. All right, so anyway, for today, if you can, try answer questions 1, 2, and 3. Questions 1, 2, 3, page 182. Answer them, see how you do, and at about 11 o'clock, we'll come back on and we'll go through some answers. Okay, so good luck.